Are you ready? Did you know that a simple thread can transform your living space into a magical heaven? All you need is jute thread and glue. Make a coil of jute thread. Cut bamboo sticks into small pieces. Stick it around. Now it's time to use jute thread to turn it magical. Use jute lace to make top and bottom border. Apply a lot of glue using brush to make it hold its shape. Let it dry. Let's remove shapes from mold. Take precautions while using sharp objects. Remove balloon pieces from inside. Put some glue to connect two pieces. Let's give final touch. Connect LED bulb in lamp. Finally,